Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to embed Lucidchart in Confluence. All right. So first up, make sure that you have created a Confluence account. All right. It is actually free via the Atlassian. Okay. Just going to close this one. Now we have the diagram right here from Lucidchart and Confluence. Now in here under Confluence, let's just go ahead and create a new one, maybe page. Okay. And what we're going to do here is just go ahead over to the top and click on apps. Now, as you can see here under popular apps, we have Lucidchart. So I'm just going to click on it. If you can't find Lucidchart right here, go ahead and click on find new apps. Okay. I'm just going to click on Lucidchart and wait for a new page to load. All right. Once done, I'm going to hit on get it now. Just click on it. And once done, I'm going to hit on get it now. And it's done. So what we're going to do here is just hit on configure right here at the bottom left or configure right here at the top right. All right. Just click on it. Now let's go ahead and log in. So it says here to access the account below, you'll need to upgrade to a team account. So let's just go ahead and click on it if you haven't done so. Now I'm going to click on switch to team trial because I have the individual premium. Okay. I'm just going to click on it. I'm going to refresh the page. Now I'm going to click on grant access. It says here linked. So it's basically done. So what we're going to do next, let's go back to home. I'm going to go ahead over to drafts right here. As you might remember, we have created a whiteboard, or is it a whiteboard? Okay. Now what we're going to do here is just click on right here at the top. We have the insert elements. Just click on it. Now go ahead and type in here in the search bar, Lucidchart. And here we have the Lucidchart diagrams. Just click on it. Now once it loads, as you can see here, and as you might remember, we just tied our Lucidchart to Confluence. All right. So basically, all of our projects from Lucidchart will be added in here in this section. So just go ahead and click on this one. Just hit on select, wait for it to load. And as you can see here, it's loading. Just wait for it. And here we have our Lucidchart diagram. And that's basically how you embed it. Well, if you want to, you can just go ahead and straight up publish it. If not, go ahead and continue editing the diagram from here and add in some other good stuff. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.